Voya Martin. Abunge ba mbunge nene ba ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza ne bayukitie ngwataniro ya bunge babethi na rane ndi babwithite mwaluluku yari okobele mu bunge babo wino rorari mwandiki munene wa ngwataniro eu seneta wa kolotwa Ezena Lemashian na kinya kuthura mu bunge wa Manyata gitonga mukonji kwithari mukaririte umwero wa ngwataniro eu Antone Kathenya aina ntetonkuluki.
Utongere bwa bunge babethe bungeni leo nibutithiritwe Ugaruruku nyume ya musemane kuthithika abunge babali nibetikanirite kuruta utongoria bula bwithiritwe bula obisini abunge baba kiama giki ya KYPA batongeretwe ni mubunge wa Manyata niberithite tutongole bula bwithiritwe bulio bwithiritwe bugitumira thuku kigina gya kiama giki hamwe na kwithirwa ikwamite gutenguki kuthina mbele.
Came in the 13th parliament. The organization has been very dormant. We have not been able to have activities for members. And as leadership, I believe one of the things that you're supposed to do is to ensure that the organization carries its mandate and to ensure that members feel part and parcel of Kenya Young Parliamentarian. And also, we have had issues with challenges with accountability of resources. And we don't want to delve into that because we have instituted an investigation into loss of funds.
Kilo tongeria bujero bula bombite kwithira bokithurone kiama giki ulala le mwandiki munene mubunge wa Embakasi assist Babu Wino niambete kwithira kiluto obisini na kanya kae kujuko ni mubunge wa Ekuru county ya Garissa Amina Udgun ulena walale mwekaligete mubunge wa Madera Eric wa Mombi akieba go obisini na giteke aiko jokua ni mubunge wa Manyata gitonga mukonji ulena walale mubange ne kigina senator Koronto Ezena Lemaletian akieba go obisini na kanya kae kujukoni mubunge Gideon Kimayo mubunge wa Keyo South na kwithira utongeria bubu bukionekana kwelekera kilingwatanire ya Kenya Kwanza abunge baba balale na bubu bwa kuga.
Here is non-partisan. It incorporates all the young leadership across the country, and as a leader, one of the attributes that you need to have is integrity, transparency, and communication.
This is an AGM that was called, and it was called officially and formally according to the laws and the constitution of KYPA. So it is a resolution of which even some of the members of the former officials were in attendance, including our Secretary General, former Secretary General Babu Owino. But all of us are working together. In KYPA, we are bipartisan. We don't have Azimio or Kenya Kwanza. This is an institution that does not recognize in its constitution issues of parties.
Amweno ogwa bunge baba babethi nibagite benaweli girobwega kilitongolie bobo bojero.
Young leadership must have accountability. Young leadership is for posterity of this nation. KYPA is not only for us, because at some point we will be above KYPA. So I want to request and urge them to ensure that they hold their office in high regard.
We believe in the new leadership that we've put in place today, that they will take KYPA forward in the programs ahead.
We are going to be caucusing on issues that come to the floor so that we can be able to make a direction as the young members of parliament that have been given a mandate by our people in the constituents.
Kuma mujimuneno Nairobi, Bita Antone, Rangi wa Kathenya.